Queens get the money. 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 Queens get the money.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, back with another video. I was actually just editing this video and I realized that I didn't do an intro for it, so I am gonna do one right now. It is literally 3:30 in the morning, but this was a perfect opportunity for y'all to see the finished look of what I was talking about with me letting my hair dry a little bit and for it to dry big. So this is kind of what I was talking about. This is what I like for it to look like after a while. Like I said, I don't like super drenched, but anyways, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because we is lit over here. Join the gang, you know what I'm saying? And let's get right into it then. All right, y'all, so I did majority of it off camera just for the sake of time and because it's like so much hair. But so the first thing I did do was go through the whole thing with a wide tooth comb just to make sure that everything is detangled, and it really wasn't hard to detangle this hair. It's been holding up well so far. I've only been wearing this unit for a week, so I can't really say, oh, this is the greatest hair in the world, but so far it has been holding up good for deep wave hair. But I just went through and I did detangle it with the wide tooth comb, and then I went through again with a paddle brush because that's what I'm going to be using once I wet the hair down. And I don't use too much product when I do my hair because I like my curls to dry and for it to get big. So I don't put like a bunch of mousse and all that stuff. We're only going to get the desired look today with two products, and they are both very, very affordable. The first product is actually free, okay? The first product is water, and I got this spray bottle from Dollar Tree for $1. So yeah, I get water and I get a spray bottle and I put it in there. And the second product I'm going to use is Cantu Coconut Curling Cream, which you can get at like Walmart or any drugstore, and I think it's like $10 or $12, something within that range. I don't know, whatever, but it's within that range. And so those are the only two things that I'm going to be using on my hair. Like I said, a lot of people use mousse and other stuff like that, but I like my hair to dry big, and I'll insert a clip in here so that y'all see what I'm talking about, because I like when my hair is, I don't like the super wet look where it's like super long. Some people do like that, and I know how to do that. So if y'all want to see that video, I can make that video for you guys. Just let me know down in the comments. But I'm going to show you how I like to wear my hair, and personally I like to wear it a little bit bigger. So we are going to break it down in sections when we do it, just because it makes it easier. And I'm going to just make sure that it is properly detangled. So I am going to comb it one more time, or brush it more likely one more time, and then I'm just going to go through with my spray bottle, and I spray from the inside to make sure that the entire thing is wet. And you can get a towel or something because your clothes might get wet, or usually I'll do it before I actually like get dressed. But so I'm wetting it and I'm just running the water through. Like I said, I don't like my hair to be super drenched, so that's why I spray mostly from the inside. And then you can see it starting to form, and I'm just spraying the front and just pulling it through. And then you can go back in with the brush and kind of just brush it. And as you can see, the curls are starting to come through. I'm not gonna I'm really not gonna drench it. I know I keep saying this, but I really want you to understand that. I don't want it to be super drenched. So I'm gonna go through and do the next part, and I'm doing the same thing. I don't add the Cantu until the end, and I'll explain to y'all why when we get to that portion. But anyways, I also did a review, well, an unboxing and initial review of this hair. So if y'all haven't watched that video, make sure you guys go watch that. I will leave the link to that video down in the description. Like I said, it's a little bit too early for me to do like a real review. So once, you know, it hit the 1 month mark, I'll probably do a review then of like, you know, me wearing the hair and stuff, because it really hasn't been that long and I don't want to give you guys any like false information, because that's just not what we do on this channel. Okay, we're real over here. Any, you know, products that y'all see me talk about on my channel is going to be a real review. If it's ever like sponsored or anything, I will always let y'all know. And even if it is sponsored, I'm still gonna tell y'all the truth. You know what I'm saying? Like, they can't pay me to do no fake review. But like y'all can see, y'all see the curls is starting to come through. Usually when I do this, I'll do it a good amount of time before I actually have to go out, because I like it to dry a little bit before I actually wear it. I don't like walking around with like super wet hair, which is why I also don't like drench it too much, because I don't know, it's not the look that I be going for. But this hair is really good though, for, you know, so far. I love the curl pattern in this hair, and I don't really wear like super curly hair too much, so I am loving it. And we're still doing the same thing. We're just going through with water. And just pull it, and then drop my brush, and then just brush it out. And if y'all can see, that's what it's looking like. Next part, and wet it. Now that we are at the halfway point, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this is just from the water alone, so that'll tell you something about the hair. It has a nice curl pattern, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the Cantu on this side just so y'all can see. And like I said, I don't want the hair to be way down, so I'm not using a lot, and I'm just going mostly on the top so that when it dries, the curls on the top, the pattern will stay super defined and not get super puffy. But this hair really honestly doesn't get like really what's the word, like frizzy. The curls don't get frizzy, so I usually do it on the top, and then I'll do it to the ends just to make sure, you know, when it dries, the ends will look good, if y'all can see that. And just a little bit on the inside. And then I kind of scrunch it up. I want to get a diffuser to see how I feel about that, just so you know, because like I said, I like my hair to dry big, and I'm also impatient, so I really hate the wet look. So I think I'm going to get a diffuser, and if I do and I try it and I like it, I'll do an updated video for y'all on my curly hair routine. But what I usually do is just kind of scrunch it up myself and just let it dry. So this is about the halfway point. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side to get this look.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Y'all, so I just finished putting on Cantu on both sides, and this is what it looks like when it's still like freshly wet. I'll probably give it a few minutes and then come back and show y'all how it looks when it starts to dry, just so y'all could kind of understand what I was saying. This isn't horrible, it's just not how I prefer to wear my hair. Like, it's cool, but I usually, whenever go out with my hair like soaking wet, I usually let it dry a little bit. This is cute. The curls for this hair is really bomb, and this is what it looks like. So like I said, I'll come back and show y'all in a second, but make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below how y'all feeling about this look. Do you guys like the wet look, or do y'all prefer the dry look? And make sure you subscribe if you are new here. That is it, guys. I will catch you in the next video.